just arrived at the course. I hope we're gonna eat something, watch some skateboarding, and wait for the best trick to start.
I think finals is in like a couple of hours, so I'm just gonna chill out and maybe try and dig my bike out of this mess and then go and ride a little while. It's really slippery out there. I'm going to try and ride it again in a minute.
I really like, there are some new different setups this year. I really like that one. The 200 race going into the quarter training would be fun.
The course is amazing. So many lines, so big jump bolts, good rails, good spine. Good job, guys.
Skatepark jest trochę trudny, dla mnie ciężko się wczuć, bo nie jest to prosty skatepark tak jak w Polsce, 2 boksy i kwater. Najlepiej wygląda bowl i box, ale ciężko się potem jeździ, a najlepiej jeździ mi się po streetie.
I came to Estonia late night Thursday, and I was without bike, so I was a little bit sad. So I decided why to be bummed if I am next to my friends. But the day after, my bike become, and now I'm happy I can be on my bike again.
Slowly waiting for my run. Now it's 10th heat and my heat is 27, not too far.
pattern are going close together because like some street rider wants to learn like nose release and front wheel tricks, and pattern riders are starting to do like bunny hop tricks, so it kind of melting together. And I just wanted like to ride the course, have some fun, and I push some stuff, so I'm really psyched.
First time the world has ever seen that trick. One more time for Michael Beran!
I can't believe this one. I took a second place at a simple session. It was my dream since I was being here. Amazing, and I'm really nervous right now, and it's time for party. Simple session is the best contest in the world. Thank you.